So Apple just announced that they will be exploring personal home robots. So this was announced today on April 3rd at 3:55 p.m. So it says right here that Apple is exploring the development of personal home robots after ditching its EV project. So some things that people are looking into is a robot that can follow users around their home, as well as tabletop device that uses robotics to adjust a display screen. So that's pretty much all that has been announced, but there's been some speculations that this mobile robot could look something like this robot here from Amazon called Astro. So this Astro here has a camera, a monitor, and some wheels. So this allows users to have interactions with it. You could talk to it, you could make phone calls with it, and you can see that they have like app interfaces that allows you to do all these communications. And there's also features that allows you to map out the whole floor. If you wanted to navigate around the house, you could figure out where's your fitting room, your kitchen, your showroom, your office, and all that. So this is actually very similar to the iRobot if you used one before. So these iRobots have two wheels as well. It's also a type of mobile robot, but they also do mapping for you. So you could map the whole environment for you, and you could block off areas where you want to stay or like keep out zones and all that in case you have like pets. So I could imagine that Apple would do something similar where they would block places out. But I would say one downside with having a wheeled robot like this is if you have any steps, it may be pretty hard to navigate. So some people might think they might have something with like legs, like the Spot robot, which allows you to go up. But my suspicion is that it's most likely going to be something with wheels for now, since it's probably going to be the easiest to implement. To make something like the Tesla bots for Apple to do something like this, I think would take a lot of time because if you just look at the Optimus, it's a humanoid robot that has a bunch of actuators and degrees of freedom. So to actually implement this, I think it would be a pretty expensive project. So I have a good feeling that to begin with, they may have something small and simple and just assume that it's going to be something you could work with on just one floor and something very simple with a monitor. And of course, they'll probably integrate things like AI into it. So you could do some interpretation of the things that you're trying to figure out. You could add on like smart alerts and securities to the whole system. But you could do all sorts of things with AI and computer vision with this robot because you could just integrate all the technologies that they have with the Apple Vision Pro into this. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.